Materials required: white card sheet, plate, jute cord, pencil, adhesive, scissors. First, take a quarter plate and trace its outline using a pencil on a card sheet. Now, use scissors to cut out this circular tracing. Now apply some adhesive on the circle evenly. Take the jute cord and paste it on the circle, beginning from the center and slowly making concentric rings. Now, paste the open ends of the cord, applying adhesive. And here it is! Your table mat is ready and really easy to make.